Everything has been done. The wheel cannot be reinvented. Everything has been achieved. The new world has been discovered. That's what they say. But has every mountain really been climbed? What new achievements are we aiming at? Let's create our own picture of this planet. There are still lots of opportunities out there, often where others stopped searching. Because where others see limitations, that's where we strike an unfamiliar chord, thereby becoming pioneers of our own lives for a new era. Because someone has to lead the way. Because someone has to dare. Someone has to take a new direction. So we're off. Taking undiscovered roads, but with a clear focus in mind, to create something new in our minds, in our hearts, for a new standard. That's why we question absolutely everything and start from scratch, in order to break new terrains, using everything that's technically possible.